Hey everyone, today we'll be doing a quick runtime video on the 2x18 volt Fusion AEG brushless lawnmower. That will be using two 6 amp hour batteries which came with the kit. With the line trimmer we'll be using a 5 amp hour which came with the kit. I'll put on setting 1, which is the setting that I always cut with, and also we'll be using a 5 amp hour battery for the blower, the jet blower, and we'll see how long all these equipment will run on these batteries. We'll just get set up and let's get started. Okay, now that we're done, I was surprised that the lawnmower and the line trimmer had very comparable runtime. Obviously runtime will depend on your situation and what you're cutting, what you're doing. I was surprised that the blower only lasted half the time of the line trimmer using the same 5 amp hour battery. It's probably down to the fact that this is running a brushed motor, not a brushless, which uses more energy. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. My name is John with That's Life, and thank you for watching.